gosh.
It's hurt.
It's a hummingbird.
Yeah, it got hurt.
Oh my gosh. You know Mommy's going to want to take this bird.
Oh no, an ant is coming near it. The ants are going to want to kill it.
Oh man.
So we might as well let it die,
No, we're not going to let it die.
or we save it.
We're going to have to save it, but we're going to have to do something.
Mommy's gonna probably take it. Just don't hurt him.
I'm not going to hurt him.
Whoa. Dad, he's
I'm
on
doing it
his
real
wing.
soft.
Dad,
I'm doing it real
whoa,
soft.
he's on his wing.
I know. Oh, this is a baby hummingbird, I believe. Look at this guy.
Look how tiny. Hey.
I picked it up and it spread its wings, so I think it fell out of the nest, so it's hurt. So the baby hummingbird actually ended up being okay. My wife took it to the animal sanctuary.